Hello class, how are you? Well, without further ado, let's pick up where we left off in the last lesson, where we talked about some major asteroids, their orbits and types. Then we also talked about some comets, their types and their origins and their some locations. Well, this time we are going to talk about past missions or journeys to comets. There have been about 11 past missions to comets and 2 current missions. Past missions. The first one is Kyoto spacecraft, which examined Halley's Comet in the year 1986. Well, it photographed the nucleus from a distance of 200 kilometers. Then there was the Deep Impact spacecraft, which visited the comet called 9P Templar 1 in July 2005. Then it landed and launched a copper impactor which crashed on the nucleus of the comet, and water was detected on the comet. Current missions. There is the Stardust spacecraft, which collected particles from the coma of a comet called P-Wild 2 from a distance of 236 kilometers above the nucleus. And lastly, we have Rosetta spacecraft, which started its journey to comet 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko in 2004. Then it flew alongside the comet for 2 years. Now let's finish up with the meteors. Well, these are short white lines or trails across the sky which most people call shooting stars. These are caused by dust particles which are as big as peas when they enter in the Earth's atmosphere. Well, these particles cause a phenomenon called meteor shower when Earth passes through the orbital path of a comet that left a lot of dust. So when this type of rock is outside the Earth's atmosphere, it's called a meteoroid. When it enters the Earth's atmosphere and forms a burning ball, it is called a meteor. And when it touches the ground, it is called a meteorite. An example of a meteorite that fell on the Earth is the Russian meteorite, which fell on February 2013. Well, meteorites are the ones which cause craters on the Earth's surface. There are mainly 3 types of meteorites, just like the same 2 asteroids. We have stony ions and stony ions. Well, it is believed that meteorites formed in parent bodies or planetesimals. For example, stony were formed in the mantle and ions were formed in the core. Well, by saying that, we have reached the end of our lesson, which concerns with small bodies in the solar system. And my name is Deep Proxima. Thanks for watching.